So here at Smith Software Service, we developed a digital readout that accurately measures the thickness of our solid curve plate. We've got a digital readout connected to two different probes that are going to measure the same spot of our saw plate here. And whenever I push on this foot pedal, it's going to give me a plate thickness. So this is a 160 thousandths inch thick plate. That's nominal thickness, and what this plate is measuring at is 0.159. So that's about a little under 1 thousandth under, so that's really good. I have tolerances set at about 3 thousandths under, so if it dips underneath that tolerance, it's going to give us a red bar, but this is a good plate, so it's giving us a green. It's a good place to keep using. The great thing about this is I can move the plate around and measure different spots as well. So if I want to get closer to the board or closer to the teeth, I can do that just to check different areas. So this is a good plate. And what's great about this is I can change plate sizes very quickly. So here I've got a 100,000th thick plate. So all I need to do is go back to menu, change my part number, for corresponding thickness, go back to my bar graph view, measure it the same way I did the other one. This one's 0.998, it's a little over 1 thousandth, but it's still within tolerance. I mean, we can still use it. Just to show you how to understand this machine. Put a new plate on. Same as 100 thousandths thick. So it hasn't been rimmed yet, so it's just right at 100 thousandths. And measuring all the way around at 100 thousandths. So that's really good. This has definitely sped up our processes and being able to measure all our solid pressure plate thicknesses